Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday. Meditation Monday. Been sat here listening to the rain. It's a very rainy morning in the UK. And I feel that we're very much on the other side of the Lionsgate energies now. You might still be integrating, you might still have things going on. But the bulk of what occurred actually before the 8th. There was a huge implementation of energy, especially during July. So just take a few moments now, at the beginning of the week, to tune into your energy, see how you feel. And one thing in particular has been coming up again and again, and it's been a theme for 2023, not just August or powerful period since the solstice, and that's the nervous system. How's your nervous system feeling? Okay, you might listen to this and think, oh, I'm fried, you've been feeling like that for a while now. All of this year, our nervous systems have been attempting to keep up with the energies and the light that we are receiving. And because of the way that the nervous system has been trained in the past, it is sometimes perceiving these huge increases of energy as something to be alarmed about. So we automatically adopt the fight or flight. So take a few moments now. I'm being joined by a couple of very good friends. I've got Archangel Raphael, and I also have Merlin with me. I'm just going to run through the nervous system as we start the week. So breathe deeply. Breathe into your heart, activating the heart, connecting it to the higher heart, which is held between your throat and your heart center. Now the higher heart will immediately flash an aquamarine blue. If you've connected to it before, you'll notice that the energy of the higher heart is very prominent at the moment. If this is your introduction, just allow your heart center, which you are breathing into now, to maybe expand upwards and just wake the higher heart up, and just start to feel yourself moving into your heart energy, breathing, relaxing. Maybe as you're listening to my words, also hear the sound of the raindrops. And allow everything to just let go, to relax. Now, on your left-hand side is standing the glorious, radiant emerald figure of Archangel Raphael. And on the other side is Ascended Master Merlin. And he appears to be wearing green and gold this morning. So just hand it over to them. Archangel Raphael is moving his hands, his archangel hands, all around the outside of your physical. So you might feel his hands close to your head, or around your shoulders, or around your midsection or your legs, almost just tracing the outline of your body. And as Archangel Raphael does this, emerald light pours from his hands into your physical body. This is the physical you that is here on this planet, constructed of cells, of water, of DNA. Now, how does that emerald light, that healing, high frequency light feel when it starts to integrate with the cells of you? And very specifically, Raphael is focusing upon the nervous system. Now, if you're a visual person, you might be able to close your eyes and see an imprint of your nervous system now being lit up in bright emerald. If not, then just trust that this energy is doing exactly what it's intended to do, to completely calm, completely balance, restore, set to 0 point your nervous system. And just feel this almost like a sigh of relief from your bodies and your fields, your chakras, as everything just lines up and relaxes. And Merlin is working a little bit further away from you. He is adjusting the outside of your mental body, your emotional body, and your spiritual fields. If there is a lot caught up in your mental or your emotional body, you might see or feel Merlin spinning the field with his hands, a little bit like you'd spin a car at the waltzer, just moving the energy around, removing anything which is clogging up your fields and just resetting everything to harmonize with the vibration of your optimum frequency. Now just take note of your nervous system now. It is filled with emerald light. It will be flowing down from your brain, down through your spine, through every single facet of your body. A little bit in the way that the capillaries all spread out, so does the nervous system. Every single part of your body contains nerves. So just feel all of them being healed, responding to the emerald light. And from the point of the nervous system, you might sense a healing occurring in parts of your body that has held a lot of tension. Places where you've tensed up, you've held on, you might have stored trauma. And these will also be held in the mental and the emotional body too. So just allow it to flow. And beloved Raphael is now placing one hand on your forehead and one hand on the back of your third eye chakra. Again, flooding your third eye, the home of your clairsentience, your clairaudient, your clairvisual abilities, all of the perceptions and abilities that you have to perceive the reality around you, to co-create with the divine, your manifestation center point. Just feel the crystal ball of your third eye being healed, being cleared. Again, this will assist the nervous system as the nervous system responds to everything that it sees and that it perceives. And Merlin's attention has moved now to your spiritual field, which extends so far around you. And he's placing sacred geometric shapes in specific parts of your spiritual field, or maybe your protection, your spiritual field vitality isn't at its optimum, and he is just using sacred geometry to light up those areas, maybe put a patch in place while the spiritual field heals itself. And this morning he's singing to himself as he does that. And just keep breathing into your heart center. And Archangel Raphael is saying to you, at any point that your nervous system feels overburdened, take a step back, call upon him. This is what the archangels and the ascended masters and the dragons and the united teams of light and all of these beings are here for, so that we can work with them in cooperation. So just with your hand on your heart, say thank you to Archangel Raphael and thank you to Merlin. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Just take a few moments now to feel into your nervous system. How does it feel in comparison to, say, 10 minutes ago? And like the Archangel said, if there's at any point you are feeling overburdened, that things have got too much, take a step back, 0 point, work with someone that you are familiar with, an archangel, a master, it could be one of the galactic teams, it could be your dragon that could easily come in, clear your fields, take that time for yourself. It doesn't take long to reset. You might find that you have to reset several times over the course of the day, but just make it almost like a mantra within any time that you are allocating to being on this planet, to moving forward, to just step back, to reset, to love and nurture yourself, and particularly be so kind to your nervous system at this time. It's doing a lot of work. And I'm looking forward to this week. On Wednesday, I'm heading down to Wales for my workshop with Lovisa Altorn. She's coming over from Sweden to the UK with her friend Anna, and it's going to be a good day. And we're running the workshop on the Thursday. And today at 5:55 a.m. I turned 51. So it'll be interesting to see what this year is bringing. It's certainly been quite the pace so far. So sending you all so much love. If I'm going to see you in Wales, I'm looking forward to meeting up with you on the Thursday. And if not, then I'll be back with an update on Friday. Lots of love. Bye for now.